Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to review a Harbor Freight engine hoist, also known as cherry picker guys. Okay, this is one of the cheapest engine hoists you can find, so stay with us. We'll show you how to put it together and we'll put it to the test today. So let's start on it now. So we're going to go ahead and open the boxes now guys. Okay, and it comes in two different boxes, as you can see. So let's go ahead, open and see what we have inside. Now one is labeled box 1, one is labeled box 2. So, okay, that's what we have here. Okay, this is the jack, 3-ton jack, wheels. Okay, we're going to unpack all that. We'll show you how to assemble it, put it together, okay, and see how that thing performs after that. Okay, everything that we need is right here guys, for that part. Okay, this is the handle for the jack. And first impression, it's pretty heavy, well built from what it seems like. Okay, just this one now here, and what I'll do now, I'm going to unpack everything and we'll come back. So we're going to open this box now. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the base of the jack, manual is right here. Okay, that explains actually how to put it together, so always read that guys. Okay, the hardware with all the bolts, it should be in this box right here. Okay, yes, you can see quite a few bolts. And now let's go ahead and start putting that thing together. So we're going to flip it on the side now. Okay, and we're going to install the small wheels now. Okay, the small wheels, okay, with this, okay, you can see with these bolts and a washer and a nut. Now how it's designed, okay, let me show you. That okay, bolt, you can see it goes like that. So later we can install the other piece on top of it. So what I'll do now, okay, I'm going to start, okay, a few here by hand. And we're going to get those things tight now. Once you start the first two, then it's way easier because it doesn't move anywhere. Okay, so remember those little wheels, they need to go in the middle. They're not, okay, they're not on the outsides. So another washer, another nut, and I'll just go ahead, get this one tight now. Okay, you can see what we use, so you see the impact that we're using. It's 14mm nut. Okay, perfect. Now I need to get a screwdriver, flathead, field head screwdriver. Okay, just the cool thing about this, you don't even need to hold most of them with a screwdriver if you use the impact. Okay, this wheel is ready. We'll do the same to the other side and we'll continue. So right here now on the bottom we installed one wheel already. Now the other one here we need to install guys. Okay, and you just get the bolts, make sure that it's the correct length so it doesn't hit the wheel here. Okay, and we're going to install a washer, lock washer and a nut. Flip it on this side, do the same thing to the bottom now. Okay, and for this you can use a box wrench that they still sell at Harbor Freight tools that you can get. Okay, and you can hold them okay, with the box wrench and get them tight. Sometimes with impact you don't even need a wrench. Okay, so what we'll do next, okay, we're going to install the wheel on this piece. Okay, so we have the same big wheels, okay, right here, with 4 bolts only again, guys. Okay, so all we have to do is just go here through the hole, get the bolt in, okay, get a lock washer and a nut. Okay, we're going to install those. You can see how simple it is. It just takes a couple minutes to do all that. Okay, if you have shorter fingers, you might have to use pliers to get those things in, because it's not so convenient. Okay, just one more now, and we'll be ready to get this one tight, and we just have one more wheel, and then we can proceed with putting the engine hoist, also known as cherry picker, together. Okay, we'll do the same thing to this one here, guys. Okay, and I just noticed a little bit of imperfection here on our rail. Okay, I didn't even see that. So we'll see if it will affect the way it works. Hopefully it doesn't. So we'll definitely address that issue. We have the replacement plant as well, which I would recommend. So that could be very helpful in situations like that. So we get one of the legs now. Okay. We install it, guys, right here. We get a safety lock pin. Okay, and it comes on this side. Okay, perfect. Now we have one more on the other side that we need to do. Okay, towards the back right here. Okay, to be honest with you, that's pretty tight fit on those, so they don't go so easy. Okay, great. Now we have one more leg on this side. Okay, I need to move the thing a little bit backwards to make room. Okay, on this side it came in easier than the other one. I don't think the holes are really well drilled as well, but for the price I think it's one of the best engine hoists on the market. Okay, we got this one ready now. Next, guys, we need to start putting, okay, our structure together here now. Okay, and this one we'll need to start like that on the bottom. Get the bolts ready and show you what we need to do. So we get the boom bolts now, okay, and we install it, okay, right here now. Install, okay, the nut on the bottom. Okay, well, my bad. Let me see now. We need to install the washer, okay, and the nut. Okay, perfect. Now let me get the other one started as well. Okay. You need to move it a little bit until you align everything, get it in. Washer nut, and we'll need to get this tight as well. Later guys, when we put it together, you need to retighten everything and double check everything for sure. Okay, I'm going to get 22mm, it's in our case, this nut. Okay, oh, I got 24 accidentally. 22 right here. Okay, this one's ready. Okay, this one as well. Now what we'll be doing next, okay, we're going to install the supports here. Okay, we'll need to install these pieces. Okay, right here guys, and let me see exactly, okay, how that thing will go. Okay, like that. So I'll find the bolts and we'll install those now. So, bolt number 20. Okay, it goes right here. Okay, now I screw up. Okay, and I put the washer on this side, so let me fix that quick. Okay, I'm going to start those by hand only, because we need to move them. Okay, you can see. And we will guys have more than 200 videos on every car we get on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Life. Please guys, check it out. Okay, so this bolt goes right here now. Perfect. Now on the bottom, part number 3 according to the manual, okay, goes right here now. Okay, let me see exactly, okay, if it goes on the inside or the outside, so I can tell you how that thing needs to be done. It needs to go on the inside. So I just screwed up guys, so I'm going to get it loose on top, quick. Okay, and I'll reposition them. Okay, that's a good thing guys to watch so you don't make the mistakes we make sometimes. We used to have a cherry picker that those things used to go on the outside, so that's the one that we used to have in the past. Okay, perfect. Now everything fits good. I'm going to put the bolt on the inside actually, the nut, so we don't hit our ankles or something. Okay, this one is coming just a little bit, okay, a little bit short from what I can see. So we got this tight guys, okay, the bolt here and the two on the bottom. If you cannot install them here, what you have to do, you get these two loose, okay, and that way you can get them in. Now we're going to install this one now, okay, and okay, we need to align everything really good. Perfect. Okay, we need to get this one tight. This one is with a 24. Okay, 24 socket. We're getting things tight by hand now, but later we're going to retighten everything. Perfect. Now, I'm going to get the jack now here. Okay, we're going to, okay, let me see now. We're going to go ahead and install it. Okay, we'll go on this side. Okay, like that. Now we need to have 2 bolts. Okay, let me see where I left them. Right here. And according to the thing now, guys, okay, we need to go ahead and install this bolt right here. Okay, I'm not going to get it tight yet, because we need to install the one on the top as well. Now this one, we have to turn it to align it. Now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and pump it. Okay, so it's a little bit easier to work with. Okay, let's bring this thing down now. Down. Down, down, down. Okay. Perfect. Okay, the washer I need to install it on the other side, so. Okay, great. And stay with us, guys, to see how that thing is going to perform now, if we can get the engine out of this Mazda. Okay, right here, and see if it's easy to use. Okay, I need to get another socket here to hold it. So we're going to install the arm here. And we're going to put it to the test and see if it can hold up engine and transmission out of the Mazda. Okay, need to switch sockets for this one. Okay, perfect. So you can see, guys, with the cherry picker, okay, that engine and transmission came out real easy. So definitely, guys, not a problem at all for that cherry picker to get that engine out of there. Even it's on the lowest setting now, 1/4 ton, and that's even way more than 1/4 ton. I wouldn't recommend it, but you can see in our case it pulled it out with absolutely no problem. So far I'm pretty happy with the purchase. It's cheap, okay, but it does the job good. So we'll have a long-term review coming probably in about 6 to 9 months after we use it quite a bit, so we'll tell you if everything still functions good. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys next time.